Hello beautiful people, I hope you're doing well and welcome back again to our channel. For people that don't know, my name is Anas, I'm working for you. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop on below in a comment. I will be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back. And you already know, if you have any comments, video requests, make sure to drop on below. I'll be happy to make a video for you too. Same as the over 100 videos now I made on Shopify customization. They were mostly requests from subscribers, some people not even subscribers, but I'm fine with that. Just a like button will help me out. And actually, if you are interested in Shopify customization, you want to be an expert or something, subscribe to the channel. It's completely free. I don't sell any courses here. I don't provide any membership things or anything like that. Every content I do create, I do post it completely free on my channel. You only have to skip around some ads, but that's the case for most of the videos on YouTube, right? And here I am again, back with another request actually. So in this video, I will show you how to set the minimum order quantity on your Shopify. So it will be a rule. So any customers cannot actually proceed to the checkout unless he has the exact amount of quantity you want on your Shopify store. And I will show you that without using any apps or anything like that. You will not use an app and we will not even use a code. And yes, you heard that right. We will not use an app or a code to set a minimum order quantity rule on your Shopify store. Yes, we will not use any of them. You might be wondering how we're gonna do that. No worries. Just watch the video and you will see. And as I said, this is completely free. So please press that like button if this video helped you out. I really appreciate it if you do. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. As you can see, this is by the way the Shopify dashboard, and all the tricks I do share on my channel, I do demonstration on Down Team. And I have the last version, which is 15, the last version as of now. And as I said, I do demonstration in the video on Down Team, but if I scroll down in here, I have every other free team in here already installed. Taste, Sense, Refresh, Spotlight, and Trade. And if you are wondering why is that, because I do actually try each one of my tricks on all of these teams, not just Down that I do demonstration on. And I only do demonstration on Down Team so I don't bore people out and they will be leaving the video before I even finish talking. That's not good. I like people to watch me, so please watch me. I'm just joking. So as I said, I'll do demonstration on Down Team, but I do try the trick on each one of these. So even if you are using one of these, not Down Team, it will work for you just fine. I just want to say that at first, so I'll give you a peace of mind, so you will know that this video will help you out, so I don't waste your time. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. So as I said, we will do this without any apps. Let me first add, I don't have any, by the way, if you are interested in adding a search bar like this, showing the search bar on the header without having to click on it instead of icon, make sure to check out my channel. As well as transparent header, if you scroll down, it's not transparent anymore. I already posted that video, so make sure to check out the channel. Let me, as I said, add a cart. And again, a custom search bar, that's amazing. Make sure to check out the channel. Anyway, I'll quit now. So let's just add this product to the cart. Okay, it's added. So let me access the cart. So in here, if I click on checkout, it's gonna proceed to the checkout. As you can see, what I want here is to set a rule so the customer can only proceed to checkout when you have a specific quantity as the minimum quantity you want. Then he can proceed. Now, as you can see, there is no rule. I can proceed to checkout easily. So let's just get back to the cart. Let's just keep this page open, do the trick, come back and see it in action. And again, if you are interested in changing the color for the count bubble, make sure to check out the channel. Anyway, I'll quit now, I promise. So let's just get back to Shopify dashboard. And the next thing you're going to do is click on the three dots on left of customize and click on edit code. And it will take you to the code editor for your Shopify team. And we need to find a specific file in here. In order to look for the folders in here, simply use the search bar top left corner, then type in main-cart-items, just like you see on the screen. And if you are using other teams, it might be just cart items like this. So just play around with the words, but most of them use main-cart-items. I'm sure of that because I tried the trick on all of these teams, as I said. So let's just click on main-cart cart-items.liquid. So simply click on it, and in here again we need to find a specific location, a specific call, a specific code in this page. In order to do that, simply click on the code just like you want to write something. Don't write anything. Use the keyboard, and if you are Windows, click on Control F. I'm on Mac. I'm going to click on Command F, and it will show me this prompt right here at the bottom of the page. So as I said, we need to find the code, a specific code, and this thing will help us do that. So in here, type in data dash cart dash quantity, just like you see on the screen. And I will put it on the screen and in the description box as well. So for the lazy people, just scroll down the description box, copy it, paste it in here, and click on next. And here it is. We found it, as you can see. So let me close this. So as you can see here, it says data cart quantity, and below it, it says min equals 1. And if you use your brain a little bit, I think you already know what this is, right? So this is the minimum quantity rule for the customer in order to proceed to the checkout. As you can see, I was able to proceed to the checkout by just 1. Let me do 3. So I changed the number 1 to 3, and make sure to keep the quotes between the number, otherwise it will not work. Then I will click on the save button. After that, we will get back in here, reload the page, so make sure the code will take effect. And now let's just click on checkout and see. Oops, checkout. It says value must be greater than or equal to 3, because we did set it to 3, as you can see. Then the customer needs to add 2 more products, at least 3, then he can proceed to the checkout just like you see right now. And that's how you set the minimum order quantity rule on your Shopify store without using any apps and without using any code. And if you have any questions, make sure to drop them below. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.